Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the communications in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account section there. Now you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. Now you can just press on communication preferences and you can just manage basically the communication preferences here. So you can just enable or disable the email and SMS, and the same thing for the push notifications. And after that you can just simply leave the page once you're done with everything, and the changes that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.